If you forgot geometry, that's okay, I'm not judging. But these are the most important things you really should know about angles. Let's check them out. If you draw two straight lines through each other, these two angles will be the same, and these two angles will be the same. Add all four angles up and you get 360 degrees. Angles in a triangle will always add up to be 180 degrees. Extend one line out and this new angle will always equal to the sum of these two angles. So if this angle is 80 degrees and this angle is 70 degrees, this would be 80 plus 70, which is 150 degrees. If you have two parallel lines with a line through them, if you draw Z, these two angles will be the same. If you draw the letter C, these two angles will add up to be exactly 180 degrees. And if you draw the letter F, these two angles will be the same. And don't forget, an angle less than 90 degrees is acute, above 90 degrees is obtuse, and exactly 90 degrees is a right angle. I'm going to show you a math secret that at first may seem obvious, but it'll make you wonder why you've never done it this way before. Let's check it out. So if you need to divide a number by 5 and it's not the friendliest number in the world, all you need is 2 steps. So first double your number, so 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. And now draw a decimal point and move it once over to the left. And there's your answer. Pretty cool, right? This is how to explain algebra to someone who has no idea what it is, or forgot everything. Today I brought home some apples. I have 1, 2, 3 and can write this as 3 apples. Now instead of saying apples, let's use a variable, a, to represent them. So I have a plus a plus a, which is 3a. 3a stands for 3 times a, or 3 apples. Now let's say my friend wants to give me 2 apples. I can write this as 3a plus 2a equals 5a. Alright, I'm tired of eating apples, so for my 5 apples, I give my mom 2 apples, and in return she gives me 2 bananas. 5 minus 2 is 3, so we have 3a plus 2b. Are apples and bananas the same thing? No, so you have to combine them separately.
99% of people do not know this math secret. You can be used in every situation, so after this video, you can use it for the rest of your life. Let's check it out.
What if I asked you to find 16% of 50? Well, you most likely need a calculator, but what if I told you that percentages can be reversed? So 16% of 50 is equal to 50% of 16, and half of 16 is 8. So 16% of 50 is equal to 8. Mind blown. How to find fractional parts of a whole. Let's go.
2/5 of what is 8? Well, when it comes to fractions, we know the bottom number is the total number of pieces, and out of that total, how many do we want? Only 2. Good. So let's go and draw a chocolate bar, since this is how I like to represent fractions. And for this chocolate bar, how many total pieces should we split that into? Right, a total of 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal pieces. And out of these 5, how many do we want again? Right, only 2. So let's only count 2 of them. And 2 of them count as a total of 8. So 8 divided into 2 equal pieces is 4. So each of these are 4. And now I know the rest of them are also equal to 4 because they're all equal 5 pieces. And so the value of the total chocolate bar is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4 times 5, which is 20. So 2/5 of 20 is 8.